What's up, it's Brea. I am a filmmaker slash photographer, and today I'm going to talk to you about my 2021 computer build. Starting with the case, I have an NZXT H510. This is a compact ATX mid tower. It has tempered glass, side panel, front USB-C port. It's really good for cable management. And actually, if you're interested in water cooling, it's water cooling ready. The motherboard supports second and third generation AMD Ryzen processors. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It takes two M2 hard drives, heat sink system, and supports up to 128 gigabytes of RAM. And just so you know, I'm just giving you a summary of all the parts, like giving you the basic idea of them. This AMD Ryzen 7 3700X, it has 8 cores, it has 16 threads, it's a third generation processor, and comes with a Wraith Prism LED cooler. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but if you like LED lights, you're gonna like that one. The Asus GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, I got the Phoenix Fan Edition. It has one fan, and supposedly you can push up to almost 8K resolution on this, but don't quote me on that. For the RAM, I actually got something simple. I got some Team Group PC3200 Dark Seat A. 16 gigabytes of RAM total, fits perfectly with the Ryzen 3000 series. Okay, so nowadays you need the fastest hard drives you can get. So I got an M2. This runs up to 3400 megabytes per second. It's 500 gigabytes. This is awesome. Unfortunately, I forgot to record a video of this or the box or anything. So this is what you get. This is a Thermaltake GF1, 750 watts, ultra quiet, 140 millimeter hydraulic bearing fan. And just as a heads up, computer parts change all the time, so just get what you can when it's cheap. I spent about $1,100 in this setup, but you really don't need to spend that much. There's some people talking about building $750 4K editing computer. That's awesome and everything. I just wanted something that I could really just upgrade and kind of like grow with it. So I plan to upload maybe some tests later on, or whenever I do upgrade something, I'm gonna show you me upgrading it. So stay tuned for that. If you want to know more about this, you can leave me a comment, ask me a question. I'm down for helping out. I want to give a shout out to my friend Kennedy for helping me pick the parts and put everything together. You're a G.